Okay, here we go back again. A million years. Boing. This is 10 million years ago. And here was the last, we can see the last time that CO2 concentration was where it is now. About 5,000 years ago.
1,000?
I mean, million years ago, I'm sorry, powers of 10. About 3, 4, 5 million years ago was the last time that CO2 concentration. Okay, where were we? So the temperature was 2, 3, 4 degrees warmer. We're trying to hold our temperature change now to 2 degrees. But here we are up at 415. Oof. Sea level.
So hang on, so this gets back to Daren's point. So he said we're about as warm as we ever were right now in the whole ice age cycle. So you're saying
seems like we're really close. Seems like we're not that far from that high point.
Exactly.
So you go back to that level of CO2, and you are warmer than we were at the peak of the last ice age cycle, which was the pretty extreme cycle.
Right. And sea level was 10 to 20 meters higher. We were up in North Florida a couple of weeks ago, and that would be the coastline essentially. So it was a different world back then. This is where we evolved in the forests of Africa. And there was a lot of intelligence in the forest, that the parrots were smart and the elephants were smart and all the primates were smart, and they were all competing with one another for the fruits of the forest. So really our intelligence comes out of that sort of soup of, of evolution.